So this is what I'm working on today. I'm working on my sister's 1995 325i. She bought this car a few months ago for $2,000. There were a few problems with it, with the cooling system. I got them all fixed. The new problem it had is a couple of the stock wheels were slightly bent, and it had really bad tires. Well, it still has bad tires. I actually replaced. We put on the spare because one of the wheels was slightly bent, causing some shakes. And there it is. It's a pretty clean car. Just need a little bit of attention. You know, for $2,000, you're not going to buy a perfect car, especially 95 BMW. So here's the solution. I got on eBay for her, started searching, and I found 4 wheels off a 2002 BMW 325i. They are BBS style factory wheels. And check this out. Look at the tire. Really good shape. And look at the packing. These eBay sellers are highly recommended, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but it's Quarry BMW out of Florida, Q-U-A-R-R-Y. And I've ordered a lot of things off these guys in the past, and they've never let me down. They don't sell junk, nothing but quality. So look them up when you're looking for your BMW parts. Now let's go ahead and slap these on and see what it looks like. So here's the finished product. Here's the car with the wheels on it now. I think it looks a lot better in stock. You know, it's an upgrade. They're from a 2002 325i 16s with really good tires. And there's my ride right there. It's my 330 Ci. Took it out today too. And here's my sister. So, sister, what do you think about the wheels?
I think they're super awesome because of my awesome brother. I got them super duper cheap and they look way better than my other tires.
Awesomeness. So that's what it is. We'll probably do a couple drive-bys right now too, just so you guys can see the cars rolling.